5 ways to get 100 subscribers every day. When creating a YouTube channel, you must be willing to commit time every day to promoting it. It's important to pay attention to subscribers. They provide the views and engagement that you can count on for every video. Here are some ways to get 100 subscribers every day. Number 1. Don't sacrifice quality for quantity. Make sure the videos you are posting are the best they can be. Subscribers want to support channels that they know are going to post amazing videos. So, make each video amazing, and you will attract more subscribers. Number 2. Respond to comments. By engaging with fans and viewers, you show them that you appreciate their support and care about their voice. Respond to every comment on your video to ensure that viewers subscribe. Number 3. Build a community. Support other YouTubers and actively communicate with fans. This will increase subscribers, because viewers will not only love your content, but also your personality. Be friendly and interactive with your channel. Number 4. Study your audience. Know exactly who's watching your videos, and determine what content they want to see. It's crucial for your videos to satisfy your audience's needs. More people will subscribe if they are sure you can maintain a flow of likable content. Number 5. Make each video stand out. To ensure that people subscribe to your channel, each video must be different. Provide a variety of locations and topics to keep viewers interested. Acquiring new subscribers daily is necessary to grow a channel. Make sure you get new subscribers every day with these tips.